begun.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy, to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, feeding from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force to part it. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive.
Well, there's one thing that's quite obvious. It's got some rust. How much? And it looks like I may have some right here too. Oh crap. Let's see where it stops. Well, damn, that's never good. Coolant coming out of my oil pan. Alrighty. Well, this don't look real good. Yikers! This is awesome! Ruh-roh. They said I had a rod knock. Yeah, I would say so. There's my piston. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty well screwed. Piston right through the oil pan. Okay. I think I got a problem. Let's inspect what blew out of the side of the motor. This piece looks like that would be part of my piston. Yeah, piston rings blown out too. Probably inside of the motor. But yeah, that looks like it's a piece of my oil pan. Yep. More oil pan, possibly. More debris, more debris, more debris. Oh, here's part of my oil pan gasket. You guys want to see something pretty cool? Let's take a look at the exit wound of this 4.3 liter V6. Right there. It came barreling out. Oh look, check it out. You can actually see the cam right there. You're not supposed to do that. Well, looks like it's gonna need a motor. Let's see if I can get even closer so you can see. Up there you go. Hello, cam. Well, it looks like this Chevy right here is gonna need a heart transplant, and I got some plans for that. Chevy LS, baby. There we go. That's a lot better without that stupid spoiler on it and the stickers that are on it and the bed liner. Got all that stuff taken care of. Now we need to focus in on getting rid of these rims. Although I like these rims. These things are made by Foos rims. Pretty nice, but that's not going to go with what I'm going to do to this truck because it's going to be a lowrider truck. So of course we're going to need those wire wheel Daytons on it. So let's get rid of these rims or sell them or something. Now Project Lowrider S10, it's coming together. I was able to find an engine, believe it or not. It's actually pretty crazy that it was hard to find a 4.3 liter Chevy engine, V6, and it not be completely trashed. But I got lucky. Motor's not going to go straight in. This motor is going to get some upgrades, and we're going to make it look a lot better than it does right now. And there she is. A 4.3 liter Vortec V6. Vortec. In the words of Amari King, it's made by Real Tornadoes, I think. Now before I stick this thing in my S10, I need to make sure this engine is perfect. I know it runs. The guy took it out of the truck, or his GMC Sierra. I saw it run before he took it out of his truck, but just because it runs doesn't mean that it's not prone to have issues internally. So what I want to do is I'm going to take the thing apart and go through everything, check piston rings, cranks, bearings, all that good stuff internally. So when I put it back in there, I don't have any issues. And then there's one other thing that I want to do to this, which I have not seen people do before, which they probably have, but I'm going to do it anyways. After I build the internals, it's going to be supercharged. It might sound like that. Let's go ahead and take that engine apart.